Hi guys, welcome to my channel Honest Fix. Today we are going to see a 2.1 stereo speaker. I am planning to buy a new one. Before buying, I just googled some website and I got a fix. So this control have the cracking noise. So I have bypassed this control. It is used only for on and off switch. You can connect this either through your computer or from your mobile phone. So you will get 100% sound. The woofer is working very good. So if you have any questions, you can comment in the section. I will answer to you. So we are going to bypass the entire connections here. I will show you. It is very simple. It may take just 5 minutes to complete this process. So just follow me. Guys, using the blade, I have trimmed this wires like this. You can see. So the blue, white, I tied one pair, and yellow and red color I can tie. So if you have the sellotapes, just seal with the sellotapes and assemble to your control here, and you can check it out. So I have the sellotapes and I have diopter like this just for safety purpose, and I'm going to assemble it here. Guys, now we have completed the assemble here. So just you have to screw up, keep it the control over there, and start your adapter connections here. Make sure everything is connected properly. I have turned it on, so the control will not in use. I have connected to my phone. So here I'm showing how it sounds. Go to any music. I hope it helps. If you like the video, please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for your support.